Hey everybody, Kit Cummings, Power of Peace Project. Quick message to all the teens trapped in the quarantine. During this very important time, I want to remind you that Uncle G, which is what we call the brain, is laying down new habits and patterns during this time. He's not taking a break. So whatever you watch, whatever you listen to, whatever you play, interactions, exchanges, conversations, thoughts in the head, naps, TV time, screen time, everything you're doing right now, he is rewiring your habits that you're going to come out of this quarantine into the free world with. So that means whatever is outside of your routine, you're not going to school full time right now. I know you're doing your studies, but your routine has changed. Your sleep patterns have probably changed. You don't have to get up at the same time. You can get in naps. The amount of screen time is probably increased. The time that you train, your body has probably decreased. The amount of time that you're spending with your family increased. So there's a lot of different things that are different right now. And the illusion is, I'm going to come out of the quarantine the same way I went in. Right now, I'm just kind of taking a break. That is absolutely not true. Uncle G, the original Google, the original GPS, the learning machine, the storyteller, the miracle factory, he is designed to make routines into patterns, into habits, and then drive them down into the subconscious. I want to challenge you. Program today who you want to be tomorrow. During this quarantine, you're practicing who you're going to be when you hit the field again, when you go back out into your job, or whether you go into your summer school, whatever you're going into next, you're going to carry these habits. That's either good news or bad news. Think about your competitors. How hard are they working? Are you willing to work while they sleep? Think about all your competitors, how much time they're laying around slugging and watching screens. Are you willing to grind while they waste time? See, I want to encourage you, man, think about your big dream. The bigger the dream, the stronger the pull. And during this time, dream big dreams. During this time, push yourself. During this time, limit your amount of screen time and the hundreds of songs you're listening to, or the amount of time you're playing 2K or Call of Duty or Grand Theft Auto or Madden or whatever is your thing. Limit it and induce some suffering on yourself. Push yourself, keep yourself sharp and on the edge, because your team needs you, your family needs you, your friends need you, the colleges you're going to go to need you. So protect your very valuable mind and give your energy and focus to things that are going to make you better today. Pulling for you, remember the Power Peace Project, it's about raising up dreamers, teaching them to protect that dream at all costs so that you can go on and be the young people and eventually the adults who are going to lead us. That's either a blessing or a curse. Signing off. Can't wait to see you on the field again. Miss y'all. Talk to you soon. Until then, be the peace you wish to see on your team. Peace out.